You can get things just by visualization. Just if you want 1,000 euros, if you strongly concentrate on this, you meditate, you keep attracting, you see that you have it, you will soon just manifest. This money will just appear from this source or that source. It's not a problem. And every single person can get this. It's not something special. You only need to understand the way how it works. Each of us, we have done some good things in our past, and these are like karma, good karma bank balance, and we have our good karma bank balance, and this good karma is meant for critical situations in life. For example, avoiding accident or surviving an accident, avoiding getting corona and in being critical situation, or maybe family that avoiding that the partner leaves at some point where there is some tension. Things like that, like serious things that are very meaningful in life. But if you want, you have this good karma deposit in your bank. You can just, if you really concentrate and you really want, I don't care about other things, I just want 1,000 euros, I want 1,000 euros, I want 1,000 euros, then soon the law will change, and then you will, instead of getting free from accident, this good karma balance will go and transform and come to you as 1,000 euros, and then you can buy a new phone or whatever you wanted to do with these 1,000 euros. So definitely, if you if you want if you want to visualize, if you want to attract things, then you can do this and you can reach the goals that you want. Other way is you can also leave this good karmic bank balance and you can go reach for your goals. You maybe think about a little bit, dream what you want, you find the ways how you can reach it, you go, you fight for it, you reach success, you go, you work with people, you do good for people, and also then you are creating new good karma, and it's just it works more natural. It is not something that is saved for some certain special occasions, but this will be just results of your work that you are doing, and you will get also what you want. So, peace. I wish you a great day, and I see you later.